Now let's talk about types of joint, right? So right now, right, we just saw the classification of kinematic pair or a kinematic joint based on three different categories, right? Now we will simply see that how many types of joint are there, right? So the type, basically these three types of joints, they are common in various machines and mechanisms. So the first type of joint or kinematic pair, just remember, a kinematic pair or kinematic joint both mean the same thing, right? So one type of joint is binary joint, then you have ternary joint, then you have quaternary joint. And similarly, you can define penta, right, hexa, then hepta and octa joints as well, right? So let us move ahead. Let's first understand what is a binary joint. So in a binary joint, two links can be joined at the same connection. So this is very simple. So let's say you have a link 1 and another link 2. Now if this junction, right, this junction, it is designed in such a way so that you can connect two links here, then this will be referred to a binary connection or binary joint. Now let us move ahead. Then what is a ternary joint? So very obvious. Again, if at a particular joint or a particular connection, three links are connected, that is link 1, link 2, link 3, then this is referred to as ternary joint. Similarly, for a quaternary joint, you can say that four links will be connected at a particular joint, right? And similarly, you can define for higher order joints as well. Now, a very important note here, I am just going to mention, if n links are connected at a joint, it is equivalent to n-1 binary joints. So what does it indicate? So let us consider the case of a ternary joint. So here if you see at a ternary joint, three links are connected. Now these three links, if you simply subtract, right, 1 from this 3 number, then it will become 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So you can say here that a ternary joint is equivalent to two binary joints. It is equivalent to two binary joints, right? Similarly, you can say a quaternary joint, it is equivalent to three binary joints. So a very important point to remember. Now let us move ahead and let's try to figure out, right, the binary and ternary joints into this diagram, right? So let us see, if you see here, if you observe here, this joint, right, this joint, right, at this particular joint, only two links are connected. One is this one, another is this one. So this is basically a binary joint, right? Now let us say at this particular joint, how many links are connected? Link 1, link 2, link 3. So this is going to represent a ternary joint. Very important, right? Now if you come to this one, right, so at this joint, how many links are connected? Link 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be referred to as quaternary joint, right? So you can see that different types of joint, be it a binary, ternary or quaternary joint, they are going to form a kinematic chain. So you have to be very careful that which joint is binary, which joint is ternary and which joint is quaternary.